Tesla Model 3 crashed into a dentist's office, causing severe damage to the building. The Model 3 didn't just hit the wall, it went right through the building, showering the office with debris. Nobody was seriously injured in the crash, but the two occupants inside the Model 3 were trapped in the car, which was buried in debris. From the window and wall, the electric sedan smashed in two. Despite smashing through a building, the damage to the Model 3 looks relatively minor. The damage to the building was so severe that police said the crash left the building unsafe. It's not clear how the crash happened, but while it's easy to assume the Model 3 was using the controversial full self-driving feature, police aren't convinced that autopilot was activated. Police believe the crash was caused by operator error, combined with the unfamiliarity of the vehicle's operating system, but the cause of the accident is still under investigation.